So let's say what you want to do is you want to write out emails. So now for that, you need to go around and give a prompt. Let's say I want to write an email about a sick leave. Because I am having a fever. So I'm going to go around and say, write an email for a sick leave for myself as I am having a 102-degree fever right here, just like this, and make write also write that I need a 2 days rest right here. So once I go around and press enter, then what happens is that it'll write out that sick leave email right here. So you can see that there's the subject. It says request for sick leave due to high fever. And now you can see this. I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to inform that I'm feeling unwell and unable to come to work today. So let's just go around and say make shorter right here, just like this. And once I do that, you can see that it simply goes around and then shortens it out. So now it says sick leave request, and I'm unwell with a 102-degree fever and need to take a 2-day sick leave for rest and recovery. I'll keep you updated on my condition and provide any necessary documents. Thank you for understanding. So you can see that this is how you can write down email, or you can go around and let's say, for example, write an email for a meeting that is happening on Friday 1 p.m. Friday 1 p.m. For the IT team right here, just like this. So let's go around and correct this right here, press enter, and then what happens is that it generates an email, as you can see right here, and generates an email for the IT team right here, reminding for a meeting around over here. And you can see that it even generated out the agendas, as you can see, as a template. So this is how you can go around and utilize ChatGPT to write down emails for you. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.